schools, all I'm saying is you need to sort yourselves out. If you're getting people out to come and site survey and give you a quote, at least have somebody there that knows the project and knows what it needs. Come on YouTube, start another week. Apparently we're going to have a heat wave this week. It does feel warm. So what are we on with? We've got some panels on there from last week. A little repair they did Friday. This one's empty. Oh no, some on there as well. What is going on? Why is two vans? Oh yeah, the swap vans, isn't there? So that'll empty both vans. They're finishing at 2 o'clock, you know, don't bother emptying vans. So yeah, we're on with, probably start with this lot, which is the 358, will be the hardest. I'm not sure if the gates are ready or not yet actually. Might be tomorrow, but I did have some guys meant to be digging trenching out for us and putting our ducting in, but I've been up twice and it looks like they started it and not been back since, but it was through the site manager at the school, so I don't really know the guys. So anyway, I don't know what to do this morning. I might have to load our little digger on. Got to be done today because Matt's coming tomorrow to start putting his wires in, so we'll see what happens when I get there. Just wait for the lads to come now, and then we'll get these unloaded and then we'll be on his way. A lot of railings to come down on this job that we're going to start as well, so be a few scrap runs this week, next week or so. So yeah, I shall get in office now and just go over this job and then hopefully the lads will be in a minute. So yeah, just pulled up at Denham now. Anyway, we'll start up here I think. Probably start there, work our way down. So I'm going to have to be in halves down here unfortunately. Carl's made new gates but not quite ready yet. So we'll probably start taking this down. Although I'm not liking all that crap piled there. That's going to have to get moved. We've got to get our fence there. Got a little gate going there and a fence to go there. So all that needs moving. So I'll get him onto that. There's some new fence panels there, I don't know where they're for. Doing away with that one. Taking all this out basically and renewing it in 2 metre high 358. That's that spare pipe there, that's mine. Not sure what they're for. Well, done that, haven't they? So yeah, we've got to put some new gates in here, single and some doubles, and finish it down to there. But I'm not quite sure what they're doing here. So they've made a bit of a mess there and they don't seem to have been back since. Actually they've got it in, they have been back. They have been back, because that wasn't done last week. Oh. I don't know what they're doing about tarmacking like. And we've got to put a double set here and a single here. I've got to get power from that one somewhere to there, which I can do. I presume they've all gone in there. Not looking bad, is it? Yeah, not as bad as I thought actually. They've actually got on with it. I don't know what they're doing with all this there and all this, unless we can put it down there. Anyway, we'll see what happens with that one I think. All panels out down this run. Just going to give him a quick tap with digger now and see if they move. We might be able to lift them out, but if not we'll just cut them. Jamie can't wait to get his body out, look. Airedale pin up is Jamie, look.
It's all gout in his foot, he can't wear boots.
Is that what it is? What's your excuses?
I've got a bad toe.
Right.
All that red meat and nails.
No panic over regards to getting paid or somebody. Being paid a big amount by a trust, thank you very much. They didn't want to pay me well back in September, but they have gone out of their way, to be fair, and done me sort of a special payment, which really appreciated. So it wasn't a small amount of money, that we like, you know, shy of 40k, so yeah, very grateful to get that in. Could pay some suppliers now, which I just have done. So come in and it's gone out quicker than it came in, but there you go. He's beavering away in there, getting a gate ready. I'm going to drop it off for him down at Gal. There's gates that we're waiting for on site. Most of them are ready to pick up tomorrow, although Quarters has just told him the quality of some on 2 of them were rubbish, so they've gone back. So they're going to redo them and ready for tomorrow, I believe. At least it's all coming together, hopefully. I think we've just been given another job on your away estate. A bit of palisade and some gates again for Carl to make. I've been to see a decent job today that I've done some work for before, up off Tong Street. Like 3 parts to it. I sent him all different quotes, and one of them, I was chatting to him. He said, oh, eventually we might get some sliding gates automated. So obviously my ears pricked up. I said, well, you do know we do them, don't you? He said, oh, right, we'll give you the quote for the job lot. So I've been quoting that as well today, which is a nice little job if it comes off that, actually. 6 metre slider. So it's great, you know, it's coming in. It's just that time of year when it's been with schools and, you know, they want you there, but then obviously you need paying from somewhere. It's a lot of money to lay out. Well, it happens every year, but just sort of this year, as it's happened as first job, I had a lot of money laid out. So we did groundworks a couple of months ago, so I've had quite a lot laid out. But anyway, we've all been paid now. Carl's been paid, Matt's been paid, supplies have been paid, Gate's been paid. So he's getting his ginger strength on it, look.
Well, won't be able to walk by the time I'm 40.
Yeah. Like me now, suffering, thinking I was a hero when I was younger as well. And he's got a smile on his face now, so I've just paid him thousands. Look.
We can all eat now.
He can get married still now in November. I shall go drop these off for Carl in a minute, and then he's just going to make some little pieces that Matt needs on site for his automation arms to go on some existing gates. Bit of a last minute .com job, but yeah. Morning, yeah, so it's on site, a bit of a nightmare. I don't think Matt can get his gate collapsed. Well, they've backfilled it. We don't know whereabouts, so we're going to have to dig it and try and get it out. Nightmare. It's not going right cracking. So yeah, I'll update you shortly. So I've just pulled into this school at Leeds, meeting site guy now. I've just rung him, he's going to come out, he was just getting keys. I presume I'm out back somewhere, I'm not sure. She said they've got a new car park or something, so I don't know, he should be out in a minute. But I believe they want some fencing and an automated gate, so I'll see what it is that they need. I'll try to get some footage, but sometimes it's a bit awkward when you try to ask questions and explain what they want at the same time. And of course, a lot of them don't want to be on camera, so fair enough, isn't it? So they're wanting this fencing off. Apparently this is meant to be ready for September, but no chance, is it? Anti-climb, presumably means 358, but God knows. So I'll try to count this, but automated gates, there's not what let me say about that. I couldn't really say when I was on site there, but it's like schools sometimes. It's like, you know, they get you out, they want this, they want that. 3/4 an hour there, 3/4 an hour back. And I spoke to a woman yesterday, or email, because she only left office number. Of course, nobody's answering office because they're on holiday. Oh, yeah, I won't be there, I'm on holiday, but somebody will be there, site manager, to show you around. Right, have you got his number? Will he know? Yeah. Gets there 10 o'clock, as you saw. Right then, what you after? Oh, I don't know. What height do you need? Oh, I don't know. Do you know what type of fence? Oh, just mesh like what we've got, anti-climb. Oh, it'd be similar to that down there, so I walks down. I said, well, that ain't anti-climb, that's just V-mesh. Oh yeah, V-mesh, yeah. So is it anti-climb or is it V-mesh? I don't know. Right. She mentioned some automated gates. Do we know what's happening with them? Where are they going? Oh, I don't know about that. I've just come back yesterday. Right, is anybody that will know? Oh, let me ring her. And they've got some temporary fence around, as you probably saw. So I quickly counted that up, and it was like 60 metres either side and probably 30 top and bottom. So, you know, you add that up, it's what, 180, innit? Quick maths. So he's on the phone. Oh, I've just got fencing guy here, blah, blah, blah. Sorry to bother you on holiday. Do we know what we want? I think it's 2 metres. Right, okay. Do you know how many metres? 120. I said, well, it looks more than 120 to me, because both sides are 60. No, I think it's 120. Right, okay. I'll quote for 120, but if it ain't right, you know. Do we know where this automated gate's going? And she's trying to explain to this guy on phone, and he's trying to relate to me. I think it's up there where they're coming in. He said, well, that's a single. Yeah, I want a double. Right, do we know how wide you want them? No. Have you got a plan you can send me? No. Skulls, all I'm saying is you need to sort yourselves out. If you're getting people out to come and site survey and give you a quote, at least have somebody there that knows the project and knows what it needs. It's like, I can't guess what you want. Anyway, rant over. I'll quote what I think they need, but no doubt it'll change 3 or 4 times. But I mean, they've even got a big pile of stone that's meant to be all done and car park ready to use by kids coming back in September. They've no chance. I don't even know if they're putting pin curbs in. We're up to pin curbs. It's like wind in the wind. Anyway, rant over. So we're still waiting on this steel delivery, so me and Carl decided we're gonna try and put the shelf together that'll back of my little van. So we're just getting this rubber matting like best way. I think we're just gonna cut this little bit here so the door shuts. Leave it hanging up slightly so it's easier to rub down.
We're having a brain fart then.
What?
Just pull it in a little bit. Oh, so we have to trim that edge.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that'd be a good idea, wouldn't it?
About there?
Yeah. I think that'll just clear, just maybe that edge.
Yes.
Yeah, that's got it. So we'll get this in. We've already made the shelf there. And then we're just going to put it under it. The sound. It's coming on, what? Floor's in. Shelves more or less in. Carl's just put a bolt up there. A bit there. You sound what? I'll get all my little nuts and bolts in there. Eye bolts and bits and bats. Morning, yeah, so we're just over at Yoda Way now. Measuring this job we've got coming up. Sort of added a bit more, but we're just wheeling it because I've done it off Google Earth originally, but we sort of changed the line of it a bit. So yeah, we just got to watch these power electric boxes, so got a nightmare digging near them. And obviously we're going to get all roots of these trees. They're chopping these trees down, but obviously roots will still be there. Quoted this job 3 times for 3 different contractors. There's some guys doing remedial works on the old tenants. I quoted it for them. Then I've quoted it for another firm who are doing it for the tenants coming in. And then the job I've got is for some other clients that we'd get work for who got the job. So it's a funny carry on really, but yeah. I'm stopping here, and then apparently I've quoted this bit, but the tenants are getting that done themselves. So what are we on there? 50?
Yeah.
And then we're just going to measure this front bit, which is a bit more tricky. There's some big gates here. It's on a bloody right slope, so I'll see about this. I've kind of took measures before, but I'll show you the slope here. Yeah. There.
There's no gate going this side, is there? It's just
No.
straight to the post.
I mean, even that's silly, isn't it? How they're just stopping and starting there, but
There's no carry on this one.
yeah.
Just have to go.
That's when the suitcase goes
Just at site here at Denham. Job's coming on now. See, all this is panelled up now. I've come down in halves in all these. A bit of a bugger of a dig, to be honest, and obviously all tarmac, all railings we took out. But yeah, it's looking good, is that? How it curls round nicely. And then it's got that gate there, which will probably just wants cladding. We just let it go off yesterday. We'll clad that today. That's finished and this area's done. I'll give it a proper clean down with blower. We've just been for gates.
Because it's your bowling and I'm doing this and you're just stuck there, so yeah, that's why I'm looking at you.
Got that on video nicely, by the way. So yeah, we just moved them over slightly so it these two middles here. We've got them in middles, nearly got them now, and then Matt's still down here doing his bits, but we've got probably 2 panels to get in to finish today when this bit's done. Oh yeah, we've got this in as well. Luckily we've been able to get rid of most of our spoil on site, which has been a godsend, because the ground worker guys are filling all this up, so it's been great for us really. She's on about cutting that there and nailing it to fence. We might have to put a little piece in there.
A temporary sort of thing.
No, permanently.
Ah, no.
Yeah, so otherwise kids will walk around it, won't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got then come from there all the way down here, take all this railings down. Our gates are here. There's a gate going there. And that's the other single for there. I was wondering what that was then. Take all this down, and then there's another 1, 2, 3 singles there, so another 4 singles on here. Yep, well, it's 3 there. Am I missing one? Oh yeah, sorry, it only goes to there, it don't go to the other one there. Panicking, I thought I was missing one. Yeah, so there's another 3 to get on there, so it's took a bit longer, but we'll have a good day today, although as you can tell it's red outside. Have a good day and then maybe get some of that down in the layout van. And we'll, yeah, hopefully catch back up a little bit. I've just realised I didn't get a finished video. Site manager came and I was chatting to him, the lads were getting off. But we're back there anyway. I'm just going to get on with a bit of admin now, glamorous stuff behind the scenes. So I shall call it a day here. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below. Have a good weekend and we'll see you next week. Thank you.